Alright, before I go over NIO stock, just wanted to share this person joined our community and started with $300. You can see here he said, crazy to think I started with $300 in this group. Yeah, he's now at $9,200. It's actually really crazy, so congrats to Holy Scion there. Just wanted to say congrats before we start this NIO stock analysis. Currently, we are at 477, down 6% today for NIO stock. Just want to mention we might have a potential dip down here towards the middle Bollinger Band. That's currently at 465. So I have a short-term support here at 465. Let's go ahead and mark this right now so we can see it as well. And then in terms of resistance, watch out for that recent high there, 549, being retested again, hammered down towards the bottom here. So that's why I'm expecting this potential short-term pullback towards 465. If we go out to the daily chart, you can see I have a potential upside move here towards $6.20. That's right around right here, 625, sorry, 625, and that is going to be about a 27% move towards the upside from our current prices here. Personally, NIO stock I think is a buy the dip opportunity, but just be very careful because NIO has definitely run up a lot in the past few days here. We had a low of $4.10. I'm looking for that short-term pullback at 465. If 465 holds as support pretty well and we end up going sideways, that's when I would probably look to add into more shares for NIO stock and watch for an upside move back to 549, ranging into $6.25. What I would be careful of is if we do break down below 465 and we can't reclaim 465 as a support level, it will then in the future become a resistance level, and that's where I would caution on a pullback down towards 440, possibly even 410 again. But as of right now, I think 465 might hold as support. I'm leaning towards 465 as support level, as a dip opportunity, possibly going sideways, looking for that reversal back up towards 549. And again, of course, towards 625. That's just my personal prediction, right? There's no one in the world that could say 100% that NIO stock is going to go to a certain price, right? But this is just my personal opinion towards 625, and I believe 465 to about 483 will provide as a dip opportunity for those that potentially missed out on NIO stock. And again, my personal stop loss might be right around 455 or even 450, just in case we get a bigger bleed all the way down to $4.10. Previously, I mentioned a dip opportunity between 430 and 440. That's when we rode up all the way to 513. If anyone didn't excel there, they had that chance to sell again at 549 here, which was our recent high. And again, it's hard to time the tops, and so during these big rallies up, you can probably shave some off unless you're a long-term investor into NIO stock, all right? If I zoom out to the weekly chart, there are some price ranges to keep an eye out for in the future in case we do test these levels again, right? With that major resistance at 772, if 772 anytime during this year breaks up, or even the next year, I would actually keep an eye out for $15.20, 27 cents there being tested, and the upside move to $15 is quite high. Let's go ahead and just double check that real quick. From our current prices here too, we'll move all the way up to $15 just to see hypothetically how far that would be. It'd be about a 212% gain towards the upside for NIO stock. And again, I'm not going to guarantee this is going to happen. What I want to wait for is in the short term, can we test 625? And then also, can we break our recent high here of $7.71? This is all the way back in September of 2024, okay? Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments for NIO stock. Are you long-term on NIO? Are you short-term on NIO? Are you bullish or bearish? In my opinion, it looks like we're about to have a reversal towards the top side here. You can even see the Bollinger Band here expanding, so a lot more volume and volatility into NIO stock here, especially with that current spike recently. We've had multiple spikes recently, actually, for NIO stock, and previously it just been going sideways. And so I'm pretty bullish on NIO stock personally, but I would like to hear you guys' thoughts. If you guys do want to let us know down below in the comments, let us know, if are you in calls, are you in shares, how many shares you got. If you don't have a community yet, you can join our Discord, link down below in the description. We have over 32,000 members, and it's free to join. Ask questions, share due diligence, read up on other people's opinions, due diligence, and answer other people's questions as well. You're more than welcome to come on in. Link down below in the description and pinned comments for that. If you're looking for our live entries and exits like we called out here for NIO stock previously, you can join our Patreon. Currently have 20 analysts sharing live entries on stocks and options, and it's a 90% off permanent discount right now because we are celebrating our 5-year anniversary. So more than welcome to check that out as well. Patreon link down below in the description and pinned comments. All right. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video for NIO stock.